Mr. Matthew Keen from Responsible Gold Trading. He is in India to promote his concept of blockchain technology and responsible sourcing of doré and the metal. So let us hear what he has to say about his technology and his company.
Well, thank you for having me here. It's nice to be here. First time I've been to one of these conferences in India. Actually.
Thank you. So how is Chennai?
I haven't seen it yet. I came in late last night. So
Chennai is a happening place for gold.
And it seems the chess Olympiad as well.
Yes, exactly. Sports and business put together here.
Yeah, well, those are two subjects that are both close to my heart.
Do you like chess?
Chess has been a big part of my life. Yes.
I think you should have been a participant here. So, okay, good. So, can you tell me about yourself and your company and your technology which you're using for responsible gold sourcing in terms of traceability?
Sure. So we developed. I guess the company started five or 6 years ago. We felt that digital gold was going to be something very important, and so we built a blockchain with the idea to digitize gold. And then we thought, well, okay, everybody is thinking about Bitcoin and how a digital asset, a physically based asset, will be the next iteration after Bitcoin. So we thought, rather than digitize gold in a vault, we would digitize gold all the way back. We would start to track gold on the blockchain all the way to the mine site. So what we've effectively done is built an ecosystem. We have miners, refiners, logistic companies, vaulters, all using our technology, and the end product that the refiner is making is a gold bar that's called responsible gold, and that bar has full provenance, full custody records, and is a premium product. It's a product that is attracting a premium for consumers, whether they're watchmakers or jewelers or institutional investors, because an institutional investor can buy gold now knowing its full history, knowing how it was mined, having ESG metrics ticked as well, all very important to the institutional investor. So that's responsible gold, and it's a good business.
How is the world responding in terms of investor community or from the jewelry community responding to responsible gold? How do you see this concept gaining tracks going forward?
It absolutely is gaining traction. I think if you'd asked me the question 3 years ago, I would say the big stumbling block would be it's a premium. You have to pay a premium for gold to be tracked and segregated in the refining process, and people weren't paying a premium a few years ago, but now they are, and particularly with the involvement of institutional investors, who are selling in wholesale amounts. It's a very, very small premium, but consumers are now paying the premium, and nobody would deny that this is the direction of travel. We need to know more about where the gold is coming from. We need to know that it's not conflict gold, that it's not damaging the environment, that it's not exploiting labor laws, and that's what technology can do. That's guaranteed when you buy responsible gold.
On the other hand, you have jewelry consumers. Do you think they will migrate to the system by paying a premium?
One of these days, and it won't be far away, that it won't be a case of responsible gold trading at a premium. Responsible gold is going to be what is in circulation. And if you have gold where you cannot definitively say where it's come from, how it was produced, that gold is going to be difficult to sell. So rather than the product that we have developed today being a premium, I think that will become the norm.
How you see India as a very big market for gold will respond to your concept?
Yeah, no, look, I mean, everything we hear from India is very positive. I think at the country level, India is very interested to make sure that bad gold doesn't get into its supply chain. It's obviously a huge consumer. And the technology exists to really help to support provenance of the gold coming into the country. So nothing is going to be a quick process, but we're definitely moving in the right direction. And obviously there's lots of initiatives happening in India right now. Technology needs to be a part of the development of the Indian market.
On a ballpark, we can see that you are going to bring about technology disruptions in the supply chain.
Yeah, it's not that disruptive. It's an overlay from a tech perspective. It's an overlay on existing systems, and anybody that's sourcing gold responsibly, which is the vast majority, this is just a way of proving that the gold has come from where they say it's come from. It has been mined at the highest industry standards. Yes, you could say it's a little disruptive because, the gold market as exists at the moment doesn't really spend much time in the makeup of the gold. It's blended, it's mixed at refineries, a bit of scrap, a bit of concentrate. It comes from all sorts of places where I think that's...
So the traceability is not there if it comes from scrap and everything.
It's not really there at the moment. And a gold bar, whether it's a kilo bar or a large bar, it has the stamp of the refiner on it.
Exactly.
LBMA refinery or non-LBMA refinery, but you don't know anything more about where that gold came from. So that I think is something that is changing. So yes, in that way, the technology is a disruptor.
What's your take of this event, IGC?
It's only just started, but I've met a lot of familiar faces, a lot of faces that I haven't seen for many years as well. So a great networking opportunity, and obviously very interested to hear what your Prime Minister is going to say shortly.
Thank you. So we always see India as a great opportunity for everyone in the world. We see India as a gateway of opportunity.
Absolutely.
So we also welcome you to India for your future.